So we're here in San Antonio, Texas for the 7th Annual Investigator Forum.
We've invited a whole bunch of human identity customers from North America, from South America and from the rest of the world. And we've also invited other vendors, other companies providing forensic and human identity products so that they can also share some of their product developments with our customers.
This event is all about customer intimacy, and it's about bringing all of this as a global community together under the umbrella of QIAGEN Forensics.
Whether you're in America or in Europe, there's so many different attendees that make really a really interesting potpourri of discussion and be able to talk everything that we're really passionate about in forensic science.
It's new cutting edge things, but it's also challenges that we're seeing in the field that are being discussed too, which can be very helpful, particularly from a casework perspective.
Forensics really is a community, and they talk with each other, they learn from each other, and the goal is really to get people together and get some high quality talks and presentations together.
Forensics is quite a small field or a small area, but it's also spread across the entire world, so a lot of people know each other, but there's still a huge amount to learn.
We've had everything from very young scientists who have just completed PhDs using QIAGEN technology through to very established professors who are really changing the ground on how forensic pathology, human identity and identification is used in the global market.
It has a great balance of speakers that are able to give practitioners and students and academics all something really important information.
They're doing a really good job of keeping us busy, particularly after the conference is over, and being able to see the sights and sounds of San Antonio is definitely an added plus being out here.
They had a nice dinner last night, and tonight they're having an event to go to the river walk and get to explore the city as well. So that's really cool to get to mingle with people and have fun as well.
What we want them to take away is that QIAGEN is a partner for human identity and forensics. We are there to facilitate their research, we're there to enable them to solve crimes.
I have seen a progression and a growth in the forum. We've got a lot more, not just practitioners, academics, and now some more students be able to come through and showcase, which I think is just phenomenal for this investigator forum.
So we want to share that knowledge and share that passion with our customers.
Come along, come and participate, be prepared to learn some things, and we'll guarantee you have a good time. We also guarantee you'll come away learning something.
It's a great way to spend 3 days to expand your mind, open your mind to what forensics can do for you.
QIAGEN.
Sample to insight.